In this video, we cover the differences between mechanical and electric water pumps. Mechanical water pumps are driven by the engine's timing belt or chain. Their flow rate varies based on the engine speed, so they may not circulate coolant effectively in all conditions. Electric water pumps are powered by an electric motor and operate independently of engine speed. This means they can maintain a consistent flow of coolant. They are increasingly used in modern vehicles where precise temperature management is required. Mechanical water pumps generally last a long time, but will require changing when the bearings or seals wear out. They may also need a belt change at the same time, which can increase replacement costs. They are more common in older gas-powered vehicles. Electric water pumps are more expensive and complex as they incorporate an electric motor and additional electronics. They tend to last longer than mechanical pumps, but can still fail due to electronic component issues. They are commonly found in modern cars, especially electric vehicles. While electric water pumps have a more modern design, both types should work perfectly for years. If you need a new OE quality water pump for your vehicle, click on the link below.